Abhorrence. Meaning, abhorrence refers to a strong feeling of hatred or disgust toward something, especially something considered morally wrong. Definition: abhorrence is a noun that describes an intense dislike or loathing for something offensive, unpleasant, or unacceptable. Examples in sentences. 1. She expressed her abhorrence for injustice and discrimination. Here, abhorrence refers to her strong hatred for unfair treatment. 2. His abhorrence of violence led him to advocate for peaceful solutions. In this sentence, abhorrence means a strong feeling of disgust or disapproval toward violence. Usage. Abhorrence is used to describe a deep emotional reaction of loathing or repulsion, often tied to actions, behaviors, or concepts considered unethical or unacceptable.
English practice.